We're Sarah and Kate, and here's 5 more things we wish we knew before our first P&O cruise on Iona. Let us know in the comments if you agree, or if you have any tips for us. Number 1. There's a lot of hype around the 710 Club, but it is almost notoriously difficult to get a space. So we'd recommend booking the day you board. It's a small music venue that is adult only. On our first cruise, by the time we went to book on the second day, the whole week was completely booked. This isn't something you can book before boarding the ship, like paid restaurants, and as we heard rave reviews, we had to give it another shot on our second trip. And spoiler, it really was worth it. Number 2. We had a couple of extra charges on our first cruise that needed correcting at guest services. We had the drinks package for the Northern Europe City Escape cruise, and some bars weren't clear on which mocktails were included, and even some that were ended up being on our bill. This was corrected at guest services, who were really helpful, but it's definitely worth checking your bill on the TV to make sure everything is correct before you're charged. Number 3. We'd recommend eating in the main dining room on celebration night, as they offer a new special menu, which comes at no extra cost. So we'd save eating at specialty restaurants to your other days on board, as those menus remain the same throughout the week. Number 4. Don't buy the internet packages on the cruise. They are very expensive and quite slow. Unless you desperately need contact with someone on shore, wait until you reach or are close to a port and use the roaming data on your phone. Make sure to check if your contract allows it, if there's an extra cost, or find a cafe or restaurant that offers free Wi-Fi on shore. You can pretty much guarantee a McDonald's will. Be sure to turn off your roaming data once you leave the port, as you will be charged a lot to use the data while at sea. Number 5. The hairdressing services were really good. Sarah had a wash, cut and blow dry on her first cruise and decided to splash out on her second trip and book again. If you've got a special occasion to celebrate, like a birthday or anniversary, you can book this to save time doing it yourself in the cabin and avoid packing extra hairstyling products or tools. Checking the website before you sail may also offer you a discount on pre-booking. Thanks so much for watching. We hope our list helped. Be sure to check out these videos for more travel tips and subscribe if you want to see more from us.